Hi, Karen. I just want to start off by saying that it's been an absolute pleasure to get to know your work and to get to dive into your unique voice these last 7 weeks. So, thank you so much for sharing your work with me. Thank you for showing up each week with heart and sincerity in your poems. And I wish you the best of luck with your work moving forward. I just want to answer your questions about the prompts that you did this week. And thank you for the detailed credit for each of the lines. So, questions. At least one poem you're going to borrow from as soon as you read the prompt. That's for your fellow students. I feel like this needs something added just before the damn it, no tears borrowed line. But I haven't found anything I want yet. Any thoughts? Let's go look there. I don't know. I mean, when I got to tell you, when I read student work 2 or 3 times before recording these videos, and I thought it worked really well. There wasn't a pause there for me, so I'm not seeing anything lacking. If you wanted to find another love poem specifically, you could go to poets.org and you can search by category and you can look into love poems to see if there's a line that would fit well for you there. I would also recommend Edna St. Vincent Millay. I think you could find a shorter line in her work that could work well in there. That would be my recommendation. In terms of your second prompt, yes, it fits the prompt, and I don't actually think it needs more. I mean, I think if you feel the desire to write more stanzas and to lengthen this poem, you should trust that instinct. But it didn't feel like there was anything lacking to me. I think this idea of looking forward 10 years and then writing back 10 years is it can be really intense. And I think starting out your poem with turns out alone isn't the worst thing is so strong and so powerful. What a concept. Um, so those are my thoughts about your poems this week. Thank you again. It's been a pleasure to get to know your work, Karen.